Apparently some community bank called Dime is offering free checking, free first order of checks, no minimum balances or direct deposits. Now that's not playing fair!
Before we go any further, I should point out that because of the snow, and I'm not in the studio, we have supplied photos of our vibrant youth.
That's right.
So you can go to the video and listen to our mellifluous voices and look at photos of Lee and Rick in a golden age.
Absolutely.
But Hygienic Weekend, as you know, it started 32 years ago, a group of artists trying to keep up, but they established their own art show.
Yeah.
No judge, no jury, no censorship, no fees. Everybody gets to hang one piece of art. And it was a small little thing that they enjoyed, and here 3 decades later is basically turned into Mardi Gras. They got of course they've built their own gallery and art park now, and they hundreds of people show up starting at like 7 a.m. on Saturday to wait in line to get a chance to hang their art, and there's music and theater and film and just every venue in town has got something going on from Friday to Sunday, and it's a blast. I mean, normally you and I pick 3 different things and sort of discuss them, but everything is dwarfed by the giant cultural thing known as the Hygienic.
And
you don't care, though, do you?
No, I don't care at all. But you've been going to this thing for, 30? You've been going for 30 years, right?
Well, I haven't lived here that long, although I used to drive up every January.
You're lying. No, how long, in all seriousness, how long have you been going to the
I've been going, let's see, I've been here 14 years, so, I'm making an appearance. And this weekend, Peter Whoppy and I are going to go 24, so we're just going to blow and go. We're going to have video, fresh video reports posted on the day.com website, and we will be all over. We will be dancing madly through the town.
So you'll be taking video. That video will be posted, of course, at theday.com. All the great art pieces that you get a chance to see, some other things that are going on.
Live music.
Some freaky people that show up down there.
Over at the Guard Art Center, they're having, in conjunction with this, kind of an open stage talent thing that goes from noon Saturday to like 10 o'clock at night. It's called Take the Stage, and that's part of it. So we're going to get over there, and I literally think it's all going to be videotaped, and all the performances will be forwarded to the judges at America's Got Talent. And, who knows, maybe somebody will get invited to audition for that show. And live music Friday night at the Oasis Pub and at the Muddy Waters. They'll be having acoustic hootenanny at the Oasis is a rock show, and then Saturday is the Hygienic Rock Fix Saturday night at the Crocker House Ballroom. And I mean, this is all under the umbrella of the Hygienic, and it's just great. I mean, downtown's full of people out going crazy, and it's you're probably best to sit on your couch, because you and I are old and stupid and weak. But this is a good thing. I mean,
well, I'm glad that you're right about that. We are old, stupid, and weak.
Except for my mother-in-law's idea to dump all the snow into the sea.
Sure.
Which we still haven't figured out why that isn't acceptable.
No, I don't get that either. But I do get one thing. I know you'll be down at the Hygienic this weekend. I know a lot of folks will be down there. You said like it's year number 30, so
32.
32, so congratulations to the Hygienic, and I hope for a monstrous turnout this weekend.
I thought you were going to say I hope for a monstrous snowfall.
No, I didn't. I don't wish destruction on the Hygienic. Not this year, anyway. Thanks. Okay. Rick, thank you, sir.
Thanks, Lee. Be safe.
Okay, buddy. Rick Coster from the Day.